Anything that deals with electromagnetic waves of any power levels, that's kind of my area of expertise.
Andrew Thatcher is one of the country's leading experts on radio frequency health impacts, who has measured the exposure risks from 5G antennas.
But typically speaking, when I go out and do measurements after installation, I found that they're really not any different than the background is anyway. And your background radio frequency signals could really be the TV stations or the FM radio stations that are miles and miles away. Honestly, I don't think the average person has an RF exposure concern. You would have to be very, very close to the antennas, say in a rooftop environment for an extended period of time, and within a few feet of those even, for there to be a meaningful exposure. Your Wi-Fi network in your house that you have will be far, far greater than the signal that you ever get from that.